Hello everyone, Darius from DeFoo here. Today's topic is access control and user management. Key components in protecting your business's data and systems. When managed effectively, access control can significantly reduce the risk of insider threats and unauthorized access. Let's start with the principle of least privilege. The principle states that users should only have access they need to perform their job duties, nothing more. For example, if someone in the marketing department doesn't need access to financial data, they shouldn't have it. This approach limits potential damage if an account is compromised and reduces the chance of accidental data leaks. Role-based access control is another effective strategy. With role-based access control, users are assigned permissions based on their role within the organization. For example, a manager might have access to certain administrative functions that a regular employee doesn't. This not only simplifies the process of granting permissions, but also makes it easier to adjust access when an employee's role changes. Now, let's discuss the importance of user lifecycle management. From the moment an employee is hired to when they leave the company, their access should be carefully managed. When onboarding new employees, ensure they receive only the necessary access to perform their duties. When an employee changes role, update their permissions accordingly, and when someone leaves the company, immediately revoke access to prevent potential misuse. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, plays a crucial role in access management as well. Even if a user's password is stolen, MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step. Make MFA mandatory for accessing sensitive systems and data. For added security, implement password policies that require strong, unique passwords for each account. Encourage the use of password managers to help users keep track of their passwords and reduce the temptation to reuse the same password across multiple accounts. Finally, it's essential to monitor user activity. Regularly review access logs to identify any unusual or unauthorized access attempts. Set up alerts for specific actions such as attempts to access sensitive files or failed login attempts to detect potential security threats early. Don't forget to follow our LinkedIn page and check out our YouTube channel for more cybersecurity and IT related content. Effective access control and user management can greatly reduce your cybersecurity risks. Tomorrow, we'll discuss how to protect your business's online presence. Stay secure and see you then.